Hey guys, what's up? Cleaning this thing up, getting ready for Kalvin to help me make it look a whole lot better. So stay tuned. We're gonna make this thing look amazing over the next few videos. But the outside of this thing is gonna get a whole makeover. We are gonna do bumper kits, front grille, repaint stuff that's gonna be fixed. We're gonna fix this damage right here. We're gonna fix this. Put some new rims on it, probably 2 different times. And fix all the dents on Friday. It's gonna be awesome. So hang tight and watch the old TK3 build come together. TK3 Blue Z32. All right guys, as you can see, I have got all the interior to the white Z32 that I have all laid all over here. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put any pieces that need to be replaced in the TK3 Z32. Let me try that again. Let me explain that again. Okay. Any pieces that need to be replaced in the TK3 Z32, I'm gonna take them from here, from this old one, because I won't need them. If you can remember, we are going to make that white shell a drift car, and we're gonna put the KA in it, and so it won't need an interior. So we're just going to take all of this goodness right here, anything that's good out of here, which it's a pretty premium interior, and we're gonna take anything we need. And then Kalvin also might need a few things. Maybe he'll do that to his car tonight, I don't know. But I've got it all laid out here. I've got all kinds of pieces that I think I'm gonna use. I'm definitely gonna use these. I'm definitely gonna replace this that's broken. All the back pieces are getting replaced. So I'm gonna, like, they're all just trash in the other Z. So I'm just gonna take everything up there for the back part. Definitely this. Who's that? Uh-oh, Elusive. That's my wife. And I think this nose, yeah, we'll probably do that too. So I just won't have to buy one. This is definitely screwed up in the Z. This light. I know we need at least one of these. All this, just all this. And this. Maybe these, definitely this. Don't think I need this. Boom, she's out of here. Off to feed the horses. I want this, but I don't know if it'll fit. Might need one of these. I'll take one of these. So I'm gonna load all this stuff up in my truck and head back to the shop. And we're gonna get it all fixed up tonight.
If you guys missed the last video, go ahead and check it out, man. We got this thing looking proper. Also, if you go back a few videos, we got the inside looking right, man. I actually gave you guys a quick little hint as to what we're doing with these GTR seats in the video from yesterday. But today, we're changing up the pace a little bit. We got a new car in the shop. I mean, you know, you guys have seen this car, but it's in the shop for the first time. Austin, my man.
What's up?
What is up, bro? What are we doing today?
We are kind of like making the interior of this thing in better shape. We're putting the interior of this thing in better shape. We're reshelling it, as you would.
Yeah. The interior is getting reshelled. Okay.
Yeah, we got some parts from the tear down. Yep. Actually, Rushton helped me tear down the Z.
He did. Okay.
And then
while I was editing the video for you guys, so just know I wasn't just slacking.
No, tear down, like when we actually tore down the shell, we tore that thing apart. Wow. Rushton helped me. Wow. I was like, he's like, what are we gonna do with this? I was like, just cut it.
Cut it. That's where you went wrong, because
yeah, we ruined a few things. Yeah. But hey, we're gonna fix this. We got like no radio right now. We got some of the paneling is shit. Excuse me. No, some of the paneling is bad.
I'm sorry, I'm getting sidetracked with that color because it looks, on camera, looks real good. And we haven't even done anything. Good. You just washed it. Good.
We did wash it up.
You want to tell them just a quick plan on this car? Because I don't think anyone knows. I mean, maybe in the title I probably have it written down, but just officially, what's going on here? What are we doing?
We're eventually going to make this thing just 100% beautiful. Try to mimic the techniques that you used on the Red Z.
Actually, I was gonna. Yeah, she's not in here.
She's not in here. Yeah, we moved.
She got kicked out. She got kicked out.
Oh, poor girl. We're gonna try to mimic some of those techniques and bring back the shine,
improve on those techniques.
You know, I'm gonna learn how to do most of that stuff. Calvin's obviously gonna help, and we're gonna We're gonna put the RB25 in this thing, which is pretty cool.
See, that's crucial.
Kalvin sold me the head for that. Thank you. And we got Vincent.
Yeah,
sold the block and the oil spline drive that we're putting in there, and that's all being done at Parks here in Seguin.
Yep.
We hear they're pretty good. They've done the oil spline drive, so
yeah, I'm pretty happy with what I've seen and what I've heard from them so far. So. Yeah. We're gonna have a really awesome. Are we gonna build the RB? We are gonna build the RB because it needs oversized pistons because the walls are a little bit kind of corroded.
How big they're gonna be.
We gotta find out how big they gotta be. But yes, so you guys are gonna see a lot of RB content. Obviously, we have my little mighty RB20 over there, which I don't know how long it's gonna last. If you guys are interested in that swap, just hit me up because I personally would like to go RB25 myself. Although it would be cool to kind of toss some money in the RB20, but I don't know. You know, it's just one of those things. If I'm gonna take the motor out, I might as well put an RB25 in. We'll see. So, there's a lot of RB content, a lot of JZ content, and KAT content actually is coming up pretty soon too. So what are you doing? Jesus, man, what is going on here?
I'm just trying to get it out.
Okay. Oh, okay, so you're putting the leather boys in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because we're gonna get these redone, remember? We're dropping off these seats.
Well, they don't know that.
Okay, well, we're telling them right now.
We're gonna let them know.
We're gonna drop these seats off and get them like custom leathered over here at this upholstery shop in town.
Yes.
We'll plug the upholstery shop.
Sure, you know.
Someday.
Yeah.
We'll see how good.
We gotta make sure they do good work first.
Yeah. And then
what's up with this? Sorry, what's up with that?
I gotta get the steering wheel out of here.
I mean, yeah, just a quick walk around. If you guys want to check it out, it's a little rough around the edges, but luckily the nice part is. Austin's basically got a whole parts car, so you know we're in good shape there.
We got this center console taken apart right here, all to replace this shifter that I have here. This thing is just massive, ugly right now, and obviously we're going to manual swap this thing. But for right now, you know, making it look good. What's up, dude?
Big John, here he is.
What's Big John?
P2, baby. Fill number 2. Big John.
Yeah, we've got this thing all torn apart. But thinking about changing these speakers out with the ones that I had in the other Z. I don't know, they're like a little bit different for some reason. Yeah, and this is just all rusted, just weird. Just rusted, and then this red dot right here. Just gonna get rid of this red dot. We just don't need it, and it's just kind of annoying. And so I really wanna just change this whole cluster out. Plus it'll look like we have less miles. Just trying to get all this finished tonight. Waiting on pizza. So as soon as that's here, we're gonna try to put all this back together. Don't want to suck up any nuts.
I was gonna say, watch all your hardware, dude.
No. Didn't get any. We're good. So,
it's like a treasure chest of hardware in here. It's insane. It's everywhere.
Oh yeah. You gotta be the expert.
Are you aware of where everything goes here?
You know, it's for the most part.
Oh, okay. Okay. Good to hear. Good to hear. Glad to hear. Where are we at? What's up? Can I ask what's up with the dual wheels? Oh my God, we got a June bug in here. So what's up with the dual wielding?
The dual wielding.
Yeah, you got 2 microfibers on you.
I'm a nerd.
I was getting.
No, I'm gonna use one for the armor all and one for the glass clean.
Can I ask you a question?
What?
What are those? They say "Hey, dude" on them.
Yeah. They were really comfortable. I tried them on at
the Hey Dudes.
It's a weird name, yes. And the lady was really trying to sell me. She was like, they feel like you're walking on marshmallows, and I was like, yeah, well.
The Hey Dudes.
I just bought some boots, and I needed some lounge around the house shoes that, you know, scratch that. Like, does that look bad?
So bad, dude. I would just throw it all away at this point. Jeez, just juniper. Get some plastic polish or something, maybe a smaller buffing pad, like a little 4-inch pad.
Have one. Have one here.
It's just you doing what you're doing, dude. You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
You're doing great.
See what happens. We'll see if it fixes it.
Hang on, well, you gotta saturate the pad. Saturate the pad.
I'm gonna saturate. I gotta get the pad. I'm gonna install.
Make sure there's nothing on the pad, because if there's shit on the pad, you're gonna scratch it even more.
Well, is there shit on that pad?
I don't know. Where were you storing it? How was it stored? What's the history behind this pad? I don't know.
But this looks good to go.
All right. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I was just trying.
Oh, okay. No, pull it up. Oh, wait. Oh,
Get some.
come on, dude. Dude, that is not enough saturation. Work it in there. Work it in there. Here.
It's not enough? Why isn't it enough?
Done too?
Yeah, it's on. You hear the little brushes in there like working. Let's see what. It doesn't really look any better. I feel like we need to restore this little piece right here.
Man,
B7.
you're almost as bad as me, dude.
Why?
With your like cleaning unnecessary stuff.
Well, I mean, I like really want this car to look good, and I mean, I don't really know what it takes yet, because you know.
No, this is good. This is good.
All right, we're back at it today. I got the Kenwood. Gonna go in with the Kenwood and get this thing put back together today. Get the new wheels on it. Got something to show you guys.
New whip, who dis? New whip, who dis?
she's a little bit cleaner. She's a little bit cleaner. Let me show you.
Oh man.
I did that.
Oh, see now that.
Hey,
explain yourself.
I did that for the ladies. I did that for the ladies.
I don't know. Ladies chime in. I don't know.
If you guys, I'm actually gonna give this away. So whoever wants this panda thing can have it. I'm not actually gonna use it.
So how do they
enter
enter for this giveaway?
They don't enter. They just tell me they want it in the comments.
First one in the comments.
First one in the comments
that wants the panda wheel.
I'll send it.
Gets it.
Gets it. I'm not actually
and the
gonna
sticker. And they'll get a sticker.
And they'll get a sticker for sure.
Hell
Kalvin's
yeah.
Garage.
There you go. Yeah. Okay.
And
sick.
so I put the leather seats in here.
Woo!
Cleaned it all off. I actually replaced this part because it was bad.
Okay. It's
so
looking nice though.
Got the new Kenwood radio CD player in there.
Yep. Do you have floor mats in here? We gotta get you some floor mats. Huh?
I do have floor mats, but they're not clean.
Oh, we gotta pressure wash them or something.
Yeah, I gotta clean them.
Looks good though. Let's pop the trunk real quick. Let's show them what's good. But these wheels, I don't know, but man, they look good. These are my old wheels, if you guys remember. We did a little trade deal, exchange. So you guys will see what I got in return for these pretty soon.
We replaced all these panels. They're like new. This is the only one that's not good. And we found out this car had like 300 pounds of sound deadening in it.
Still does.
And still does. Because
put it all back.
Put it all back. Like it's really solid in here. It's gonna run really quiet.
Yeah, it is kind of nice. All right, well, rad. So
yeah.
what's the deal? Are we about to cruise to town, or you got something more to show me, or what's up?
Oh yeah.
What else we got here?
Okay.
This guy was grinding away.
I don't really have much else to show. Oh, I did change out the shifter.
We gotta lower this thing though.
Yeah.
Gotta get her on the ground. We'll roll the fenders a little bit.
All the tools out so that Kalvin and I can cruise to town.
Are we gonna roll to town?
Yeah, we're gonna roll to town and get this alternator issue fixed because they did not drop the alternator off for the Cadillac.
What? The zone said they would? Dude, I would go in there steaming. And you know, you got the old space coupe just chilling, waiting, ready to go, smelling like corn. Hell yeah, I love this thing, man. It's the old daily driver again. Not upset about that. Not upset about that. However, riding around here in this yard, it's kind of sketch, but we good. We good. Damn, look at them seats. Man. Woo. Man, that color is so good. This guy and his damn panda wheel, dude. Whoever asks to request this, I don't know, man. I'm questioning your decision. The thing I noticed with the leather seats, you sit higher up, which for me personally, being a tall man, not the most ideal situation, but they sure do look good. My seat sits so low. Love it, love it, love it. But damn, we're gonna paint correct this thing, make it look real good. Woo! Yeah, look at the smile. Always doing the T-tops and everything. Woo! Yeah, this thing looks nice, man. The fitment, honestly, they fit really good. Like, you can even dial some camber out of it if you wanted to when you lower it, so it's gonna look good, man. Couple alphabet lasts, you know? Ready to go. Whew. This man is not playing around.
They're brand new, baby.
Getting the shine on them. And he's lathering it up. Woo!
Probably worth now. 4,000 or 5,000 now, right? 4 or 5. You want it? 4 or 5.
Someone buy it. Comes with the panda wheel.
With the panda.
Unless someone scoops it, sorry. Dude, that thing is smoking so bad. Driver's side bank is just not happy. You guys probably can't tell on camera. Damn, it stinks back here. On a side note, Texas sure is pretty. It's trippy, man. This like reminds me of my 240 a little bit. Same color, had these wheels on it. So how you digging it?
Digging it.
Digging it. What's next for this thing, dude? What can we expect next?
A big ass order from Z1 Motorsports.
All right, okay.
Probably throw those SPL parts I have on here.
Yep.
And then start shaving the engine bay. But I want to drive it around once it looks good before I tear the engine bay.
We'll take it to some maybe Cars and Coffee or maybe
I mean,
at the Circuit of the Americas or something.
Before I tear the VG out of it, I definitely want to like take it out and enjoy the looks of it a little bit. Obviously, guys, it's not fast and it's automatic, but we're going to fix that. That is not an issue right now.
Mine was automatic for like a year.
I'm fine with it. I'm just cruising around enjoying the panda ears right now.
Yeah, that's too much, man.
Dude, these were not
Someone's gonna take that. I hope you know that.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to sending this to
sending it out. Send them a little care package.
Yeah, a little care package.
All right, but we're done for the day, right? We're done.
We're done.
We're done. Yeah, I appreciate Austin getting this content today or for this video, because otherwise there probably wouldn't be a video today, and not really I would have been a little upset about myself. But it was awesome because I was able to go get a bunch of groceries done. I went to Harbor Freight, spent like $500 and I got a bunch of cool stuff, and Home Depot, and so I was running around all day today. So I'm gonna get this video edited up for you guys tonight, possibly either chill tonight or get working on the Skyline again. There's a lot to do on that car. We'll see what we do, but yeah, I guess till tomorrow. Anything else to say? That's it? Is that it?
Whatever you do at the end.
All right, let's try that again.
All right.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one. Now give him the little.
Yeah.
Give him the. No, come on.
If you like the content, like, share, subscribe. Until next time.
Thank you.